Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the dollar index is at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Down, this is the Fibonacci retracement for the weekly time frame. So it should be a very significant area of support. Fibonacci retracement is almost always going to be support in a downtrend or resistance in an uptrend, even if it does, eventually break through that area. So if that is the case, then we potentially could get a move to the upside that would be probably a pullback to this last wave down right here. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, today is non-farm payroll today. So we potentially could get a decent move today. So for me, this is the structure level that is going to prove that this downtrend is over. And this is what's going to turn me into more of a long-term buyer. Now, this to me definitely looks like three waves up in a Fibonacci belt, so we might actually get another push down, maybe something like that, like three waves up, three waves down, and then maybe at the NFP news, get a nice impulsive move up, nice break of structure, which you could potentially trade on the US dollar pairs themselves based on this US dollar analysis. So, anyways, definitely check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.